Alright, y'all, we back with another one. We're finna open this big box right here. Y'all can see this one and these little packs. So, these are the mystery packs. Let's see what's inside of them. We're gonna start off with this. Well, I guess we can start off with this small one right here. So we're gonna start off with this small one. Let's see what it's... I don't know how they delivered this, but they shouldn't do it this way. They try to do it the cheapest way. Let's see. What we got here? Ew. Nice patch. Signed. That's fire. That's definitely fire. Alright. Put that right there. Let's open this one up. I'm trying to do it without cutting whatever's inside. Damn. Alright. Damn, I forgot about this small one. Alright, we don't... we gotta drop. No. Let's put it aside. I'm dropping all kind of stuff. Alright, let's open. Oh, this one's already open. I'm tripping. That's this one. It's tight. Cool. See what we got up in here. I might have to cut this from the top right here. This is ridiculous. Alright, cool. Ooh, look at that. That's fire right there. That is fire. Fire. Now these ones right here, I think it's from Wiz. Yeah. I won these, so I didn't even know what I won. But yeah. Ooh, that is fat. Ooh, look at that. Y'all tell me how much these is worth. That's a 99. 2023. And this one is 1999. That is fat. Yeah, sometimes you can take a chance, man. You might win something. And that's what I definitely did. I won 3. That's crazy. Cool. That's fire. Alright, let's open this small box right here. Let's see what's inside this one. too far in there. I don't want to cut nothing. Oh man, we got some fire up in here. I'll say that for last. We'll do this first. We got some fire in here, dude. We got some signed jerseys, man. Some signed jerseys. Let's do this one last. Let's do this one. That's fire, dude. You can't tell me that ain't fire. Signed. That's fire right there. Alright, here's another one. Nice one. Signed. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Nice. Fire. Alright. And then the last one. Shawn Kemp, man. Shawn Kemp. Signed. That. But yeah, I got this right here. Let's see. Damn. Two 2008 first round pick. Nice. Bet you can't even tell me who signed this. I can't even tell. Let's see who it is. Bam. I ain't never heard of dude. But yeah, I need to get a little case for it. Well, let me take this out and put that in there like this. All right. Cool. All right, y'all. That's it for this video. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Make sure you like, subscribe too. Boom.